So hi everyone. So I'm going to tell you now how to add iOS image in GNS3. So once you download the GNS3, you will see your server should be green. Here it should show your server should be green. Okay. You need to click on edit, go on preferences and go to the dynamic section. Click on iOS routers, click on new and browse the image. And I have already given you the image, right? You just click on here, open it, it will load it automatically and click on next and next. You should give 256 MB, not 512 MB. Okay, and then slots carefully you have to select. Okay, so select IO 2FE, two fast Ethernet interfaces. So today I have given you product training, right? So if you see the big chassis, you will see a lot of slots like this. It's a slots, so you have to select PAGE slots, Ethernet slots minimum. So we need to practice with gigabit Ethernets. Okay. Then after that, fifth slot should be like 2FE, two fast Ethernets, as well as it should be four Ethernets, 10 Mbps links. That's it. Next, finish and apply. Okay, that's it. Once it is done, click on File, New Project, and give any project like test, name as test. Okay. Now just drag and drop this. Just drag and drop this. Okay, drag and drop R1 and R2. Okay, now you need to connect the cables between the router 1 and router 2, right? So click on this cable and here click on it. You will see the interfaces, right? You have to select gigabit Ethernet 1/0. It's a 1 Gbps interface, and here also 1/0. Okay, now allow it, allow it. Okay, now so if you want to see which interfaces you have connected, right? Here you will see ABC, right? Just click on ABC and you will see that. Now you need to turn on the devices one by one because it uses your system resources, your RAM and all. So you should not turn on all the device at the same time. One by one. Turn on one by one and you will see the green here. See your R2 is still down. So once you turn on, right? So I told you, right, in the real time you connect the cable to the console. Once you see the COM port through putty, you will log in, right? Similarly, once you log in through console, this is the console. This is the console. See, this is a putty session. It is taking putty. See, it's a putty session. It's not a solar winds. For you, it is a solar winds. Here, it's a putty session like that. So this is a privilege mode. Okay. So another class, I will explain you what are the CLI modes and all. So whatever it is, right here, you need to configure all the routers configuration and everything. So this is the putty session. Okay, yeah, this is the console session directly we are connecting cable to the router and this is the console session. Now we are on R1 router. Okay, this is how you need to do. That's all. Thank you.